able to get the campsite I wanted at Valley of the Gods. I'm not sure I'm going to be able to find a level spot to put the tent. Looks like I'm going to have neighbors tonight, about a quarter mile away, way over there. My campsite wasn't level, so I had to level it myself. The desert is beautiful. It's like a garden out here. Wow. It is dead calm and dead quiet at Valley of the Gods. Beautiful morning. My Mountain Dew chilled a little bit last night. It didn't get real cold, but cold enough. This is Butler Walk, and I'm heading down along this ridge to get some photos of a deserted ruin called Pedestal Rock Ruin. Parking road here, near the Combe Ridge, out in the desert. No cell signal, no nothing. Pedestal Rock. And it's perched way up high on the shelf over there. This is Muley Point. It is at the edge of Cedar Mesa. It's a 1,000-foot drop down to the plateau down there, and then another 1,000 feet down to the San Juan River. had the wheels blocked last night and the parking brake on because I'm parked on a bit of a slope and I'm not too far from a 1,000-foot drop off. The edge of Cedar Mesa is disintegrating in very large pieces. So where's the stone that broke away from here? Oh, here it is. It's slowly rocking its way to the edge. From Muley Point, you can see Monument Valley, Navajo Tribal Park in the distance. Here, let me zoom in on that. I camped on Muley Point last night, and now I'm heading down. So I'm heading down from Cedar Mesa down to the plateau. I'm on this little ledge of rock back here, so that I can narrate without the wind howling in the microphone. So right now I'm actually standing in the gap.